Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through how to remove the Conversation History folder from Favorites in Outlook on PC, following the latest update. This process is quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open Outlook in your browser. Once you're logged in and the interface is loaded, look at the top of the page. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu icon. Click on these 3 lines to expand the menu. Next, locate the Favorites section within the menu. Under Favorites, you'll see various folders listed, including Conversation History. Now move your cursor next to the Conversation History folder. You'll notice 3 dots appearing beside it. This is your options menu for that specific folder. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From here, you'll see several options related to managing this folder. Among these options is Remove from Favorites. Select this option. And just like that, the Conversation History folder will no longer appear in your Favorites section. It's important to note that removing a folder from Favorites doesn't delete it entirely. It simply removes the shortcut from your Favorites list. The original folder will still exist in its usual location within Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully cleaned up your Favorites section by removing the Conversation History folder. This simple change can help streamline your workflow and keep your Outlook interface organized. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might need assistance with Outlook's new update. See you next time.